We have been warning you for days that we are entering a dangerous heat wave across the Mid-South. And we all want to stay cool, but what happens if your air conditioner gives out? Fox 13 consumer advocate Kate Beery talked with a company. That company is slammed right now with demands during triple-digit heat days.
We take these for granted until they go out. And if yours goes out during this extended heat wave, you could be sweating for quite a while. It's music to the ears of the Russell family in Northeast Memphis. They have air conditioning back in their home for the first time in 3 days. Hank Russell told us it's been unbearable.
I mean, the fact that it's like, 107 degrees with, a heat index over the past, 2 weeks, I mean, it's insane.
Technicians are working 14-hour days at Choate.
We're averaging about 7 to 9 o'clock at night with these heat waves. We're running pretty much all day, but we're doing everything that we can to take care of our customers. And
this is why.
This is a lot of incoming calls coming in behind me. Phones are constantly ringing.
Last Thursday was so busy here at Choate that each one of these customer service representatives answered 100 calls.
It's been overwhelming. We usually run 3 to 4 technicians on call on the weekends, and we're up around 6 and 7.
Choate's Jason Smith told us supply chain issues have forced some customers to wait 4 to 6 months for special parts, but he says it's getting better. And to keep your system humming along, he recommends changing your air filters every 30 to 90 days.
It's kind of like getting your car, buying a new car and not getting oil changed.
That's a sign that it's overheated and it's
How has this summer compared with previous summers?
definitely hotter than last year. I would say that most people would agree with that.
At the Russell household, Hank said it was worth the wait.
Thank God that the air conditioner is getting fixed today.
So replace your air filters regularly. Schedule that yearly checkup with an air conditioning professional. Also, experts recommend removing leaves or shrubs from the outside of your unit. Spray down the condenser as well. Reporting in East Memphis, Kate Beery, Fox 13.